Motion blocks. Motion blocks are used to control the movement of a sprite. They are blue in color. Some motion blocks need values for coordinates and directions. Coordinates. Coordinates are numbers that represent the exact location in the form of x, y coordinates. X is the sprite's horizontal position. The y coordinate is a sprite's vertical position. X and y coordinates, when written together, indicate the exact location or position of the sprite on the stage. While writing coordinates, the x coordinate always comes first and the coordinates are separated by a comma. For example, an x coordinate of 2 and a y coordinate of 2 would look like this: 2, 2. In the very center of the stage is a point marked 0, 0, which is called the origin. In the same way, Scratch determines the positions on its screen. Positions are known as pixels in Scratch. The x and y positions in Scratch are used to determine the location of a sprite or object on the stage. Direction. The words up and right are perfectly understood as directions by human beings, but the sprite needs a number to indicate the exact direction. The direction numbers are between -180 and 180 degrees. Pointing at 0 degrees means facing up with respect to the sprite. Pointing at 90 degrees is facing to the right with respect to sprite. Also notice that -180 and 180 degrees point in the same direction, down. Some of the commonly used motion blocks are blocks functions. Move 10 steps. This block lets the sprite move forward in the direction it is facing. Turn 15 degrees. This block turns sprite in clockwise direction. Turn 15 degrees. This block turns sprite in an anti-clockwise direction. Go to x0, y0. This block moves the sprite to a specified x, y position. Set x to 0. This block changes position of sprite on x-axis according to the specified position. Change x by 10. This block changes position of sprite on x-axis by specified number of steps.